Hi everyone. Okay, so in this video we are learning about triangle concurrencies or triangle centers, right? So a triangle usually has three centers: the centroid, the orthocenter, and the circumcenter. So in the next three videos I will be going over them three centers. So in this video we are learning about the centroid of a triangle. So what is a centroid first and foremost? Well, if we look here, the centroid is the balancing point or center of gravity of the triangle. So what is center of gravity? It is just the point. If I had a triangle and I balanced it on my finger like that, oh, maybe not like that, but if I balanced it on my finger, it won't move or fall. It's the balancing point. So it's the point of equilibrium, if you want, right, of the triangle in which where it's at perfect balance. So you find the centroid. It is the point of intersection of the medians, right? So the median is just a name given to a line where it's the line from the midpoint of one side of the triangle to the opposite angle or opposite vertex, right? That's one median. And then this is another median. And the intersection there, here, is my centroid. So a special property with the centroid is, well, first of all, it's the point of center of gravity of a triangle. It also, the medians intersect each other in the ratio of 2:1. So if you see here, this length is going to be 2 times this length, and that goes for all of the triangles. So this side here, it's going to be 2 times the length of that side. And finally, this side here as well. This side is going to be 2 times the length of that side. So that is a special property of a centroid. So how do we find the centroid? So we find the centroid by using this formula. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3. So you use this formula. It's not in your log tables. It's the easiest way to find the centroid. You could find the centroid by finding the equation of this line and finding the equation of one more line and then solving them simultaneously and getting that point in there. But, you know, find the equation of two lines versus a formula. I'm just going to go for a formula for me. So this formula is used for the vertices or the corners of the triangles x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, etc., etc. This formula is not in your log tables. So let's look at an example here. So find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are 1, 3, 6, 2, and 5, -2. So we use our formula here. My centroid, which we usually denote with G for some reason, maybe for gravity or something, I don't know, right? x1, so it'll be 1 plus 6 plus 5 divided by 3 is my x coordinate. And my y coordinate is going to be 3 plus 2 plus -2 divided by 3. So my centroid is going to be 12 divided by 3 and 3 divided by 3. My centroid is going to be at 4, 1. So my balancing point of this triangle is going to be at 4, 1. And if we just have a look here at this little diagram I prepared earlier, there it is. This point right here is my centroid. So if I was to kind of cut this triangle out and then place that little green dot or the centroid on my fingertip, it shouldn't tip over. So let's have a look at some problems here. So in a manufacturing process, a triangle metal bracket is being designed with holes at specific locations to ensure balance and stability. The vertices of the brackets are the coordinates 3, 5, 8, 2, and 7, 8. Calculate the coordinates where the bracket should be drilled to place a supporting bolt, ensuring the bracket maintains its equilibrium during use. So, i.e., we're just finding the center of gravity of this triangle, you know? So that's going to be 3 plus 8 plus 7 divided by 3 is my x coordinate. 5 plus 8 plus 8 divided by 3 is my y coordinate. So 3 plus 8 plus 7, that's going to be 10, 18. 18 divided by 3 is my x-coordinate. And this is going to be 21 divided by 3, which is going to give me my point, my centroid is going to be at 6, 7. That is where my centroid is going to be on that triangle. Let's have a look at the next question now. So the coordinates of the centroid are 4, 2 of the triangle with vertices 2, 5, 7, 3, and B. Find the coordinates of B. So we know my centroid is 4, 2. We know this. And that is going to be equal to 2 plus 7 plus, well, I have my coordinates B. I don't know what they are, so I'm going to say it's x here divided by 3. And then I'm going to have 5 plus 3 plus y divided by 3. So, therefore, 4 is going to be equal to, so remember, x-coordinate, x-coordinate, y-coordinate, y-coordinate. So 4 is going to be equal to 9 plus x all over 3. Multiply across by 3, 12 is equal to 9 plus x. X is going to equal to 3. That is my x-coordinate of point B. And then, look at my y-coordinates now. 2 is going to be equal to all of this. So 2 is equal to 5. 5 plus 3 plus y, which is 8 plus y all over 3. Multiply across by 3, I'm going to get 6 is equal to 8 plus y. Therefore, y is equal to minus 2. So therefore, my coordinates are going to be 3 minus 2 is my point B. Then finally, the last question here. Find the centroid of the triangle formed by these points. So again, we're just asked to find the centroid. So the centroid is going to be 3 plus 8 plus 6 divided by 3. That's my x-coordinate. 2 plus 1 plus minus 3 divided by 3. That is going to be 3 plus 8 plus 6. 3 plus 8 plus 6 is going to be 9, 7, 17 all over 3. And then this is going to be 0 over 3. So my coordinates is going to be 17 over 3 and 0. That is my centroid of that triangle, or my balancing point or center of gravity. So, you will be asked in your Leaving Cert to be able to construct this centroid, but I'm going to leave that for another video. But mathematically, this is how you find the centroid, and I hope it was some help to you guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.